Is your Subaru WRX key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common cause. This video shows you how to easily replace the battery in your 2015-2019 Subaru WRX key fob, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. We'll cover everything you need to know for a successful DIY replacement. Your 2015-2019 Subaru WRX key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a very common type of battery, easily found at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Avoid using alternatives like CR2025 as they may cause intermittent signal loss. Using a genuine OEM part is preferable to avoid signal degradation. You won't need any specialized tools for this task. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool is all you need to gently open the key fob casing. Avoid using metal tools if possible, to prevent scratches on the plastic. Wearing gloves is recommended to prevent skin oils from contaminating the battery. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of your key fob. This is where you'll begin opening the casing. Use your screwdriver or pry tool to gently pry open the casing. Be careful not to use metal tools that could scratch the plastic. Once open, carefully remove the old battery, noting the orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring proper orientation for reliable performance. Finally, snap the casing back together securely, ensuring all clips engage properly for a tight seal. After replacing the battery, test all key fob functions, including remote start, lock and unlock, and the panic alarm. Press each button and verify the vehicle responds correctly. If the fob doesn't work immediately, you may need to reprogram it. This is usually done by cycling the ignition switch on and off a specific number of times. Always consult your owner's manual for the exact procedure for your 2015-2019 Subaru WRX. If reprogramming doesn't work or you're unsure, visit a Subaru dealership where they can reprogram it for free under warranty extensions. Firmware glitches after battery replacement are common, but typically resolvable. Moisture can sometimes corrode the battery contacts inside the key fob. If you notice corrosion, clean the contacts carefully before inserting the new battery. You can also seal the edges of the fob with clear tape to prevent future moisture ingress. Extreme cold can also affect battery performance. Consider a high-drainage Duracell CR2032 battery if you live in a cold climate. Replacing the key fob battery yourself can save you $40 to $90 compared to a dealership replacement. DIY costs only $5 to $10, while professional service runs $50 to $100. Remember to dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly. Many stores offer battery recycling programs to prevent environmental harm from improper disposal. Look for eco-friendly battery options as well. Choose batteries with reduced plastic content and recycled materials to minimize environmental impact. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is rapidly evolving toward maintenance-free key fob technology. While your 2015-2019 Subaru WRX uses traditional batteries, newer models and future innovations are changing how we think about key fobs. By 2030, expect to see wireless charging capabilities and solar-assisted key fobs becoming standard in new vehicles. These technologies will eliminate the need for battery replacements entirely, making key fobs truly maintenance-free. For now, your 2015-2019 Subaru WRX key fob continues to rely on the simple CR2032 battery replacement we've covered. This straightforward maintenance keeps your vehicle secure and functional. As technology advances, these older models may benefit from aftermarket upgrades, but the DIY battery change remains an effective, cost-saving solution. Thanks for watching.